regulations to follow. Like there's basic requirements, and the main thing they focus on is the best interest factors, which means like what's going to be best for the child when your parents are divorced, like who is better suited to take care of them, like plan for meals, not neglect them, be affectionate, stuff like that. So I researched some Michigan law for families, and I came up with a number of things, and I also interviewed some families. And the first family I talked to, there was a lot of abuse towards the three daughters from the dad. Like verbally, he would say things that were really hurtful. He would hit them a few times. He's been known to do that. And his older daughter was raped and molested for 7 years, and he was well aware of it. The courts were made aware of it, but no one did anything. No one cared. No one listened. And the girl's dad actually manipulated the court system because he knew the judge. He knew who to talk to. He got his way, kind of. But he wasn't the one doing the raping. It was his girlfriend's son. So, I mean, there wasn't much he could do. He'd choose not to believe it. I mean, you can only do so much to have someone try and help you. So, as what I did kind of for the family and the next family, which I wanted to talk about, is I wrote a letter to the judge that was dealing with the child custody issues because, I mean, he didn't take anything into consideration, like the best factors, like what's going to be good for the kid. Obviously, the dad didn't protect his daughter, any of them, in any way. And then the second family I talked to, they wish to remain anonymous, so that's why I just called them family 1 and 2. There's a daughter, and she was also abused. Her dad forced her to do drugs. He would beat her. He was abusive verbally, once again. Her dad also was convicted for being a cocaine dealer and user. So, I mean, the courts are aware of this. They're the ones who, caught him. He went through the court system. They know his history, but they chose not to do anything or help. Once again, because he knew certain people, so he got off. So, what I did end up writing a letter. I talked to the families. It was pretty emotional talking to them and hearing their stories, but, I mean, there's only so much I can do, and I talked to them about my personal story because I have my own, which I'm not going to share, but, stuff like this happens, and it's not right. So, what I wanted to do is talk to them and try and help them, because there's different ways that you can help these families. You can write letters to a judge, for example, like I did, to try and get, anything changed. Just anything to help with the custody issues. So, I mean, that was my presentation.
Thank you.